Hi there! Check out the JMU 6.5L Ultrasonic Cleaner with a powerful 40K Hz frequency and 180W ultrasonic power for gentle yet thorough cleaning. It features a 304 stainless steel tank that resists rust and leakage, ensuring long-lasting durability. The digital control panel lets you set the timer up to 30 minutes and temperature up to 80 degrees Celsius with ease. This cleaner comes with a noise-reducing lid and a convenient basket to keep your items secure during cleaning. It effectively removes dirt, oil, and dust from jewelry, watches, glasses, dental instruments, and circuit boards. With 200W heating power, it speeds up the cleaning process while protecting delicate items. Experience a safe, efficient, and user-friendly cleaning solution for your valuables. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.